aka before lockdown. Me say ma say that 7th December na e beto aba about to end so. E bi sit down. Oh God. Bibi be si. I'm on postpone 7th December. You should bracket name prophecy on the wall. When I enter into the spiritual realm, that 7th December, I'm going in the home. Be the second half. I didn't get to say rumor. I'm about to tell something. I'm a baby ever seen. That 7th December, I am your proper trouble. Something extraordinary will happen to that day. Bibi Beshi, that will come. And that day, 7th December, but get to. And I'll repeat it again. May not say the one that can be so because spiritually. I did not really know I'm planning soon and I'm back on them. But soon from Sana, that was why I make us a day. 7th December, there's no election. And that can come with 3 times. Go and mark it on the wall. Most of them suffering. I know some people will insult me. I don't care. When you default through 4, when you wait me, I don't care. Oba I say you try. Obi na be kitchen na oko no. Obi break go. What's what you hold age me match. Bibi na see that day no. I'm about to close money. When I'm also like a month to I'm market to mo be say mo suffer. Mo we default e wo ye. Do ba ka to say default bi e di Ghana. Bia so wa. Sawa e be ni me ka wo ye. And 7th December, there's no election. And I will repeat it against the 7th December, there's no election. I am telling you. So I'm saying, I'm saying, if I didn't know that, I'm going to fight to the young women. So when you